Namaskar everyone. Today in our video we will be learning chapter number 3 WordPad. With the continuation we have learned what is WordPad. I hope I have told you and you have learned in the last classes or in the last video that what is WordPad. So WordPad is a software through which you can type text on the computer. Next thing that we will be learning how to start the WordPad. To start the WordPad, first we will be clicking on start button. After clicking on start button, we will click on all programs. After clicking on all programs, we will move to accessories. After clicking on accessories, we will click on WordPad. I hope you all can see the WordPad window. This is our WordPad window through which there are title bar. What is title bar? Title bar means the title that is present at the top of the window. Then in the title bar, there are three buttons that I have explained you in the last class also, in the last video also. That is minimize button, maximize and close button. Next, there is a save button. Whatever I'm writing in the document area, we can save it. Okay, this is the best feature of the WordPad software that whatever I'm writing, it can be saved. Okay, I hope it has been cleared. So now the next thing that we will be learning about the home tab. When WordPad window open, there are two things that is home view, home tab and view tab. In the home tab, there is a ribbon. In that ribbon, there are a lot of things. There is clipboard, there is font, there is a paragraph button, there is an insert, there is a editing tab. With the help of this, we can edit our text. Now, there are a lot of buttons that we have to learn. First is bold, second is italic, third is underline, font family, font size, text highlight color, and text color. What is all this? We have learned how to change the size of the font. We have learned how to change the text color. Today, in this video, we will be learning how to make our text bold, how to make our text italic, and how to make our text underlined. Plus, we will be changing the font writing also. Okay, I hope it has been clear to everyone. Let us do it with the practical. Before I start with the practical, I want to tell you how to change the or how to select the text. Okay, to select the text, I'm sharing now. I'm sharing my WordPad window. Now I'm just opening my WordPad window. Just give me a second. I hope you can see my WordPad window. In this WordPad window, I just want to write something. For example, I have written I love my students. That means right now it is coming in very small in size, plus its text color is in black. I want to change the text color, plus I want to change the size of the text. To change the size of the text and the size of the and want to change the color of the text, what I will do, I will put my cursor over here. After putting my cursor over here, what I will do, I will click on the left click of the mouse. After clicking on the left click of the mouse, I will drag it. This is how I can drag it. Can you see that? I have dragged it. After dragging it, where I will go over here. This is how I can select the text. I am repeating it again. How to select the text? To select the text, I will click my on the beginning of the text. That means where my text is starting, I will click my cursor over there. After that, I will click on the left click of the mouse and then I will drag it. After dragging it, I will leave my mouse cursor. After that, whatever changes I want to do, I can do it. For example, I want to change the size of the text. To change the size of the text, what I will do, I will select my text. I will go over here. After that, I will click over here. And then whatever size I want, I can change it. Can you see the changes? Whichever size is suitable to me, I will choose that size. For example, I want to choose 28 size. I will click on 28. Then I want to change the text color. I hope I have told you in the last video also how to change the text color. I will click over here and whatever color I want to choose, I will choose. For example, I want it, the text color should be yellow. So my text color is in yellow right now. Now I want to change the font family. What does this font family means? I want to change the handwriting that is being written. First, I will select it. I have told you how to select it. I will put my mouse cursor at the beginning and then I will click on the left click button and then I will drag it. After that, I will click over here where Calibri is written. That means I want to change the font family. Now, there are a lot of ways through which I can write my text. With that, we have to decide that what type of text we want. We have to choose this and then we just have to select it. Whichever text type of text you want, you can select it and you can use it. There are a lot of ways. Can you able to see? I hope you all can see the changes of the font. You just have to select whichever text type you want. For example, I want this type of text. I want that it should be italic or bold. So I will choose it. Can you see the change? I hope you all can see the change. I'm taking another example. I'm writing, I love my country. Again, the procedure is same. I will select my text. I will put my cursor in the beginning. I will click on the left click of the mouse and I will drag it. Please practice it at home. Try to practice to select any text. I know that it is very difficult, but try to practice this. Okay. We always say practice makes a man perfect. Okay. So practice this at home and then click over here. After clicking over here, change the size, whatever size you want, choose it. Change the color. I'm not liking yellow color. Change into attractive color, whichever color you want. Okay, so there are a lot of colors. I've changed into orange color, and then I can change into font family also. Whatever thing you are liking, whatever style you are liking, you can change it. Okay, so there are different styles through which you can change it. Can you able to see this? I hope you all can see. So whatever you want to choose, you can choose it. Is it okay? Now, the next thing that we have to learn to make our text bold, to make our text italic, to make our text underline. What does this underline mean? To put a line below the text. If I click on this underline, can you see my text is being underlined? I hope you all can see that my text is underlined. Again, I will select it and then I will again click on this underline button. Can you see that underline is being removed? I hope you can see that my underline is being removed. This is how I can put a underline. That means a line below the text. Is it okay? I will again put the underline over here. I want to make my text bold. Let us see how our text is being bold. Bold means to widen your text. Okay, can you see the change? My text is more wider. Yes, I can see it. Okay, now I will again click at this beginning of the text and then I will select it. Now I want to remove the bold. I will again click on this. See, it is being changed. It is not that level wider that it is being earlier. I will select it once again and I will click on the bold. This is how my text can be bold, underlined, and now the next thing is italic. Can you see that my letters or my letters that I have written is in italicized font? Yes, it is being in italicized font. This is how I can put bold, italic, and underline. I hope it is being clear to all of you. Okay, we'll take another and the last example. I'm writing my own name. Sorry. Now, what I want to do, I will select the text and I don't want this orange color. I don't want this much bigger size. So what I will do, I will select the text. To select the text, I will put my cursor in the beginning, take a left click and then select the text. After this, I will first of all, I want to change the color. Change the color. I will click on this A button and I will choose whatever color I want. For example, I want red, blue, whatever color I want. I'm taking a blue color. Whatever color I want, I will choose it. After choosing it, I want to change the size also. I don't want my text to be that level bigger. So I will change the text size. Okay, so I'm taking it 28 size. Now I want to change the font family also. That means I want to change the handwriting also. So this is, there are a lot of ways. You can click on this browser and you can use whatever type of handwriting you want. You can change it. Is it clear to everyone? There are a lot of types of handwriting. You can change according to your wish. For example, I'm liking this handwriting. I will click on this, and then now I want that my text should not be bold, should not be in the italic form, should not be in the underline. For this, I will click on bold. My bold is being removed. I will click on italic. Now my text is not in italicized form. I don't want to underline. See, the underline is being removed. Can you see that? My text is in the simple form. Neither it is bold, nor it is underlined, nor it is in the italic form. Is it clear? And now we'll repeat it. If I want my text in bold, if I want my text in italic letters, if I want my text in underline, what I will do, I will select the text. I will click on bold. I will click on italic. I will click on underline. Can you see the change? Yes. The change is my text is in bold letters, my text has the underline, and my text has italic writing. I hope this much part is clear to everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Bye bye.